All right, the date is 11/24/2024, okay? And I have fantastic news for everyone at the Cheer Fit Camp community. We got our channel back. We got our channel back. Yay! Come on, baby. With a lot of work and a lot of commitment, I did not give up. I did not waver. I did not put myself in a corner. I fought. I was able to recover my YouTube channel by, number one, regaining access from multiple emails and multiple stuff back to Google. And then I had to go through the whole process with YouTube all over again. Could not find my channel ID. I didn't have that at all. They kept on sending me back and forth stuff that I needed to get done. But the beautiful thing about this is the channel is back. There are changes that I have to go in here and make, but I'm not going to be selfish with you guys. I had promised you before what I'm going to be doing. But I said, you know what? I'm going to put all these videos back on the channel. Because what they did, they put all the videos in private. And I'm happy they did not delete the videos. So right now I'm working on putting them back up. A lot of the videos that you guys have and loved, they're back on the channel. But I'm going to ask you all to do me a favor. I had the membership thing on the website, on YouTube, but I'm going to make the membership for the website. So it's going to be $10 per month. And I'm asking every single person who sees this video to support the coach, because I'm going to keep on putting videos on YouTube for you guys. I'm also in the midst of developing a brand new website, because the website that I have now has been a little flaky. It's been going kind of crazy. So we're doing a much more updated, much more robust website. And it's going to be fantastic, because this community is going to keep on building and building and building. But I'm going to tell you something. God is good, okay? I'm happy I wasn't that kind of individual to get out there and start beating my kids, yelling at my wife, drinking alcohol, being mad at the world for what happened. And I've never been that person. I like to just reserve my energy, preserve my time, go and do what I know I need to do, and just allow God to lead. Sometimes I want to lead. Every time I try to lead, it does not go the way I want it to go. And I learned that many years ago. So I just sit back, allow God to do what God does. And here I am. We have the channel. So the channel is still Cheer Fit Camp. This one that you're looking at it now, if you're seeing the video from the new channel, this channel, I'm going to use Cheer Fit Camp LLC. I'm going to change it to probably Coach Green or whatever. I'm going to put something there. And this channel will be where I share just talking points. No workouts, just to where I can come in and build with you guys and connect and share things that's going to be helpful to you in the future. See it? But the Cheer Fit Camp channel, the original one, is back up. All right? Don't forget, leave your comments on this video. Head on over to Cheer Fit Camp, the actual channel, the real one, and let's keep it going. All right? Don't forget, cheerfitcamp.com is where you go to sign up for the membership, and you support your coach, and I'm going to continue supporting you. I love you guys. Don't forget, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Now, let me get back to work, because I have people who can't. Some people's having issues logging in. I'm going to go back and help them to get in there until we get this new website. I'm going to keep on problem solving and troubleshooting and getting things right. I'm out of here. Peace.